Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting credentials and a ready sheet. Create a Google Cloud project, enable the Sheets API, and generate OAuth client ID or API key. Name it clearly. Once done, create a service account if automation is needed, then share your spreadsheet with that service account email so requests succeed. Now open Extensions, choose App Script, and create a new script file. This is where you'll call the API. Make sure to set the correct sheet ID and range before coding. You will now implement the call and authorize it. In App Script, use URL fetch app. Fetch with method post/get, set authorization, bearer token or include, key equals API key and attach content type, application/JSON. For Sheets API, use Sheets, Spreadsheets, Values, Get and Update for reads and writes. They handle auth after you authorize the script. Once authorized, construct JSON payloads, send the request, parse the JSON response, and write values into the correct ranges. Remember to test with small datasets first. Finish by automating and validating your integration. Create time-driven triggers to run syncs or on edit triggers for reactive updates. Store tokens and keys in property service, not directly in code. Once done, confirm data mapping and ranges to avoid overwrites. If requests fail, check quotas and errors. 429 means rate limit, 403 often shows permission issues. A simple troubleshooting tip: log full responses, then add exponential backoff for retries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.